Don't fret, losing weight can be cheap. You don't need money pouring out of your pockets to keep fit. What you do need is willpower and the mentality to succeed. Before we get started, if you'd like to discover how a young mum developed a 2-step hack and dominated her fight against weight loss, click the link in the description. Unless you are stuffing yourself silly with unhealthy foods and doing no exercise at all, then you should be in tip-top form. Keeping fit can be as easy as staying active and eating healthy foods. Jumping rope can be a much cheaper alternative than paying a few dollars to go to the gym every day. Yes, jumping rope is a high-intensity activity and it will take a lot out of you to do 4 sets of 5 minutes every day. If you want to lose weight and stay fit, then I recommend that you do 4 sets of 5 minutes every day. It might feel like the longest 5 minutes of your life for each set that you do, but you will start to see the benefits really quickly. Have you ever felt out of breath after walking about a few flights of stairs? How great will it be to walk up 10 flights of stairs and not even feel the slightest bit tired? Jumping rope can help you achieve that. It doesn't cost much to buy a skipping rope, and finding an area to jump up and down isn't that hard either. If you could lose around 1,000 calories an hour, why wouldn't you do it? Staying fit doesn't have to be dull and boring. Jumping rope is heaps of fun and a great cheap way to stay fit. Metabolism is quickened after jumping rope, meaning that you will continue to lose weight even after you have stopped skipping. People these days spend way too much time in front of the computer and eat unhealthy foods. Get off your bums and keep active. Shed those kilograms by jumping rope for 20 minutes every day for 3 times a week. Break up the 20 minutes into 4 sets of 5 minutes and watch those kilograms disappear. You have to push yourself to lose weight and make your goals and targets and reach them. Set yourself realistic goals and try to achieve them in the set amount of time. It doesn't have to cost you an arm and a leg to keep fit. If money is a problem and you only have $5 to spare, get yourself a skipping rope and jump rope today. In conclusion, losing weight is all about exercising and eating the right kind of foods. By setting yourself a weight loss goal and doing exercises such as jumping rope, you can achieve your goal quickly. Don't forget to check out the story of how a mother shares secret hack on how she lost 84 pounds in 2 weeks. Link in the description.